Here's a classic recipe for a chocolate plum cake for you. Ingredients: 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 200 grams of sugar, 100 grams of soft butter, 100 grams of dark chocolate, 3 eggs, 100 milliliters of milk, 1 packet of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, unsweetened cocoa powder, optional. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and grease and flour a plum cake tin. Melt the dark chocolate in a double boiler or microwave and let it cool down. In a large bowl, whisk the soft butter with the sugar until you get a frothy mixture. Add 1 egg at a time, continuing to whisk until you have a homogeneous mixture. Incorporate the melted chocolate and milk, mixing gently. Sift the flour, baking powder, and pinch of salt. Add them to the mixture and blend everything with gentle movements, avoiding deflating the mixture. At this point, if you want a more intense chocolate flavour, you can add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Pour the batter into the plum cake tin and bake for about 40–50 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the centre comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let the plum cake cool in its tin for about 10 minutes, then unmold it onto a cooling rack to cool completely. Fun fact: the plum cake, despite its name, doesn't necessarily contain plums. The term has evolved to describe various types of baked cakes, often rectangular and similar to a brick cake. The plum cake can be enriched with various ingredients, including nuts, candied fruit, and of course chocolate, as in this recipe. Moreover, its simplicity and versatility make it perfect for breakfast or snack time. Remember that you can always add a personal touch to the recipe, perhaps by adding chopped hazelnuts or instant coffee for a more intense flavour. Happy baking!